Today I am reviewing the Hyperice Venom 2 back wrap. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever dealt with lower back tightness, muscle spasms, or that deep, nagging ache after a long day of sitting or a brutal workout, you know how desperate you can get for quick relief. Most of us default to standard heating pads. But let's be honest, standard heating pads trap you on the couch, tethered to a wall outlet by a short, annoying cord, and they take forever to actually get warm. That is exactly the problem Hyperice is trying to solve with the Venom 2 back wrap. This isn't just a minor update to a recovery tool. It is a premium, wearable powerhouse that combines targeted compression, rapid heat, and mechanical vibration. But at its premium price point, is it actually worth the investment, or are you better off sticking to a cheap microwavable heat pack? Let's break down exactly how it performs in the real world. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice about the Venom 2 is the build quality. It features a lightweight, plush neoprene wrap paired with a premium silicone surface on the interior. The wrap measures 48 inches long, which easily accommodates a wide range of body types from extra small to XXL. Hyperice also offers a size extender if you need a bit of extra breathing room. The design update from the original Venom is a massive leap forward. In the first generation, the battery and control unit were somewhat bulky and separate. With the Venom 2, Hyperice has streamlined everything into one sleek, unified control pod on the front. It feels balanced when you strap it on. Speaking of strapping it on, the secondary compression band is a game changer. Instead of just wrapping it loosely around your torso, you pull the dual elastic straps to create a tight, supportive fit. This compression is intentional. It forces the heating elements and vibration pods directly against your lumbar muscles, ensuring no therapy is wasted. Let's talk about the headline feature, the heat. Hyperice uses what they call HyperHeat technology, and they claim it heats up 6 times faster than a traditional heating pad. In practice, this claim is entirely accurate. Within about 3 to 5 seconds of turning it on, you start feeling a deep, radiating warmth. By the 10-second mark, it is fully up to temperature. There is absolutely no waiting around. You get 3 distinct heat levels to choose from. Level 1 sits at a comfortable 113 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for extended relaxation or if you are using it directly against your skin. Level 2 steps it up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, offering a deeper muscle melt. Level 3 tops out at a powerful 131 degrees Fahrenheit. A quick word of warning for the listener. Level 3 is genuinely hot. If you are using it on the highest setting, it is highly recommended to wear it over a thin t-shirt to protect your skin, because that intense heat will leave a red mark if you aren't careful. What makes the Venom 2 special compared to smaller patches is the massive treatment surface area. The heated zone is twice as large as the original model, spanning across your entire lower back to soothe the left and right sides of your spine simultaneously. To complement the heat, the wrap features 4 built-in vibration pods operating on 3 different patterns: a steady pulse, an intermittent rumble, and a wave pattern. The vibrations don't mimic a deep tissue, needing massage like a percussive massage gun. Instead, they provide a rapid, soothing oscillation that helps block pain signals to the brain and increases localized blood flow. Combining the highest heat setting with the steady pulse vibration creates an incredible sensation that melts away muscle knots and relieves stubborn stiffness within minutes. For those who love smart tech, the Venom 2 features Bluetooth connectivity to the Hyperice app. Through the app, you can remotely adjust the heat levels, change the vibration patterns, and even customize your session lengths. While the physical on-unit buttons are incredibly easy to press and navigate by touch, the app is a nice touch if you want to kick back, look at your stats, or follow a guided recovery routine designed by professional trainers. Because this unit is completely cordless and battery-powered, you are completely free to move. You can wear it while responding to emails at your desk, doing light chores around the house, or even cooling down at the gym after a heavy lifting session. It is also completely TSA approved for carry-on travel, making it a lifesaver for long, cramped flights. The battery life is rated for up to 3 hours per charge, but keep in mind that this number varies depending on your settings. If you are blasting maximum heat and maximum vibration simultaneously, You can realistically expect around 2 to 3 full recovery sessions before needing to plug it into the included wall charger. For safety and optimal therapeutic results, each session is hard-coded with an automatic shutoff after 15 to 20 minutes. This ensures you don't accidentally overexpose your muscles or drain the battery if you happen to fall asleep, which, honestly, is very easy to do because it is incredibly relaxing. So, what is the final verdict? The Hyperice Venom 2 back wrap is not the cheapest heat therapy option on the market, but it is easily one of the best. If you are an athlete looking to prime your lower back before a workout, a desk worker battling chronic posture stiffness, or anyone dealing with routine lower back soreness, this is a premium investment that delivers immediate results. The combination of instantaneous, fiery heat, targeted compression, and cordless freedom makes it an unmatched recovery tool. It replaces bulky cords and microwavable packs with a sleek, professional-grade solution that you can use anywhere, anytime. If you value your comfort and recovery, the Venom 2 back wrap is absolutely worth every penny.